Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to unlock a Chevy Silverado door. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a non-marring plastic wedge, often called an air wedge or a door stopper, and a long reach tool, which is a slender rod. These items are crucial for safely gaining entry without causing damage. Understanding your vehicle's door mechanism will also be helpful as we proceed through the steps. Now, let's create a safe opening. Begin by carefully inserting your plastic wedge into the top corner of the driver's side door frame. If using an air wedge, slowly inflate it to create a small, controlled gap, approximately 1/2 inch wide. For a solid wedge, gently tap it in. This gap provides the necessary space to insert your long reach tool without bending the door frame or damaging the paint. With the gap established, it is time to use your long reach tool. Carefully slide the tool through the opening, guiding it towards the interior door handle or the manual lock button. Gently maneuver the tool to either hook the handle and pull it or push the unlock button. Take your time and be precise to avoid scratching interior surfaces. Once the lock engages, you can open the door. To prevent future lockouts, consider keeping a spare key in a secure, accessible location, perhaps with a trusted friend or in a magnetic key holder. Always make it a habit to double-check that your keys are in your hand before closing the door. Regularly inspecting your door locks and key fobs for proper function can also save you from unexpected situations. Stay prepared and avoid the hassle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.